I looked into the Emergent AI App Builder, and honestly, it's one of the more impressive AI development platforms to appear recently. Instead of giving you a simple drag-and-drop interface, Emergent focuses on letting users build real, functional AI apps, everything from chatbots to internal tools, without needing to write code. The UI feels clean, modern, and powerful, and the templates make it easy to get started fast. What stands out is how customizable the workflows are. You can connect APIs, create logic chains, add databases, integrate vector search, and build multi-step actions that feel closer to actual software development. For non-technical founders or teams that need to ship tools quickly, that flexibility is a huge advantage. The platform also supports deploying apps instantly, which removes the usual headaches of servers or hosting. But it's not perfect. Some advanced features require a bit of learning, and the documentation could be more detailed. Also, while it's more powerful than most no-code builders, it may still feel limiting for full-scale enterprise projects. Overall, Emergent is legit. It's a strong option for startups, agencies, and creators who want to build AI-powered apps quickly without touching code. If you want speed and flexibility, it's definitely worth exploring.